Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavens on TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Siwalele 0, Kaizer Chiefs 0. I'm joined by YZ Mavuso. Yes, Timo, kunjani mfana wami? Yeah. Ngiyaphetha madoda. Ngiyaphetha. The way mina ngibona ngakhona Steve. Yeah. My friends at Kaizer Chiefs. Yeah. Angayicoacha le team iwini. Better than nabo coaches now. Better than nabo coach. Ubona kuma previous game. Yeah. Lo coach bayatshela ngithi ukuthi akakhiphe manje. Yeah. Va namuhla ukhipha onke ama player wenzani man makulimala umuntu utofaka abantu yes cost too much even the management in fact yes cost yes iChiefs isayina ama player ngithi apaya hey uyathi singkhumula abantu Ted Dumitru yeah may his soul rest in peace hey lo coach leya bebathi iChiefs mayithenga ama player lamasha kusanele cup lebathi Vodacom yeah onke lama player lamasha lebawathengile beqala wona kuqala ngani lawa lebesinawo vele bezidlala ngawo siyawati yabona so why manje babhizi baphe kufielda lama player lamadzala leswatiko ayindoda azidlisa lapho kunevele bhayi sishaya itandla vele bhayi ukhona abamfaki Sithibo angathi noma labanye bayibona ngendlela ngiyibona ngakhona in game bekune strike ama touches wale strike asiqoke number 50 le strike siphumelani siphumelani ne strike in the first place baskipelani ne strike Duba angali uyadlala lo mfana siwinile amanye ama game naye last season bathi mina bengaboni isidingo sokuthi bamfake namuhla uDuba akahlali
he's not there
akahlali number 2 sengivala Monyane ukhona ene manga phela kahle sine siqale kulahla ama point makulimala Monyane yabona Monyane ubuyile why bambeke benchini noma ngabamnikile ichance ye maybe ye 30 minutes simbone ukuthi ubuyile unjani uyabona lo mfana ngikhuluma ngemfana lekumele ukuthi abe number 2 eSouth Africa asinayo number 2 eSouth Africa noma bangakhuluma bathini uyabona thina siyawamela lama player noma bawafoka kuboma social media bathi lama player lawa akakhona ukungena ku national team mase siya defend kanjani and so hayi ngiyabonga Khosi